Let us see how to design confidential review template. Click on Forms in Administration, then click on Templates option, and then click on Create a new template. Here select Confidential Review and click on Next. This takes you to the workflow selection page. So there are two different types of workflows in confidential review template. First is assigned to admin, where form will be assigned to admin after once reviewer submits the form, whereas in assigned to reviewers manager workflow will assign the form to reviewers manager once reviewer submit his review, and then reviewers manager just need to check the form. If everything is fine, reviewers manager will complete the form and then it will be assigned to the UpRaise admin or the whoever has distributed the form. So this diagram tells you about all the transitions of the form according to the workflow. Once you select the workflow, click on next, and system will take you to the form builder page where you actually start adding questions, start creating your questionnaire. There are three tabs on form builder page: form settings, add fields, and field setting. On form setting, you will have to write down the name of the template. So if it's a Q2 review for sales people, sales team members, you can just give name to your template, write down if you have some description there, then click on add field. On add field, it allows you to add different types of questions. In a cloud version, this is a cloud version of UpRaise, it allows you to eight types of questions. It allows you to add eight types of questions, whereas in server version we have 10 types of questions in on form builder page. So you can simply click on different question types to create your questionnaire. You can repeat one question type again to add same type of question. You can move questions, or you can copy a question, or you can delete one. So this allow you to customize your form, your template very easily, as simple as that. So whenever you click on these fields, it allow you to do field settings where you add your question, define your choices. So you can add multiple choices here. You can remove existing one. For drop down, you can add choices. For yes, no, you will have only two options there by default. You can define the opinion scale. You can edit these tags. Then we also have one interesting question type, that star rating type question. So you can add these stars or options, you can add or remove them, write down your question. If you have some instruction specifically for the question, you can write down that in instruction box. You can make the question mandatory or optional. You can add an extra comment box, so you can see this comment box can be removed or added. You can also associate scores with your questions. So we have a separate video for scores and weightage related to form. You can find more details in that form, what exactly are scores and how they work. So once you are done with designing your template, click on save if you want to just save it in the system and distribute it later. If you want to distribute it right away, click on save and next, and then you will be navigated to distribution page where you actually do some distribution related settings, add users, and then distribute it in the team. So this questionnaire will be available for the reviewer. As it is a confidential type review, there won't be any part of a team member because you are keeping this performance review confidential from the team member. You can use this type of template for as a probation doc, or you can conduct some confidential review for different team members in your team. So in this way, You can design this template and distribute it once you save it in the system as many as times you want.